Hello students, I am Suniti Chauhan. In this section, we will discuss about brief introduction of cyber security lab. So, mainly we will discuss first syllabus of cyber security lab. This lab is consist of total 100 marks, 60 for internal assessment and 40 for external assessment, and total 8 experiment in this lab. So today we will discuss first only experiment number 1, which is implement the following substitution and transposition technique concept: scissor cipher, rail fence, row and column transformation. So first is, what is substitution and transposition? So substitution is the technique in which each letter or bit of a plain text is substituted or replaced by some other letter, number or symbol to produce ciphertext. And in transposition techniques, it is not replaced by character, but we will rearrange the character's position. Basically, substitution techniques has many types like scissor cipher, monoalphabetic cipher, polyalphabetic cipher, playfair cipher, hill cipher. But today we will discuss only scissor cipher. To encrypt a message with a scissor cipher, each letter in the message is changed using a simple rule: shift by 3. Each letter is replaced by the letter 3 letters ahead in the alphabet. A becomes T, B becomes E, C becomes F, and so on. For the last letter, we can think of the alphabet as a circle and wrap around. W becomes Z, X becomes A, Y becomes B, and Z becomes C. To change a message back, each letter is replaced by the 1 3 before it. This is the example of scissor cipher. Another example of scissor cipher is, here is a message pretty impossible, and we have to convert this message into ciphertext. And this original message is also called plain text. Plain text is a message which is readable and understandable, but in ciphertext it cannot be understandable. So first we will convert for treaty impossible. First we write the A to Z and convert ciphertext. Here key value is 3 and A is converted with third alphabet with D, and B is converted with third alphabet which is E, and C is converted with third alphabet which is F, and so on. So here is the message is treaty impossible. So T is converted with W, R is converted with U, E is converted with H, A is converted with D, and T is converted with W, and Y is converted with B, and so on. So this is the example of scissor cipher. Next is, we have algorithm of scissor cipher. So step 1 is read the plain text from the user. Read the key value from the user. Step 3. If the key is positive, then encrypt the text by adding the key with each character in the plain text. Step 4. Else subtract the key from the plain text and display the ciphertext obtained above. Now we go for implementation part of the program. Here is the program of scissor cipher. First we include the header files like standard input output header file, string file, console input output header file, and C type. And C type header file is declare a set of function to classify individual character. For example, check whether a character is uppercase or not. Next, declare a main function. We can take a plain text and cipher as a character, which uses the size 10 and 10, and we can take a key I and length as an integer, and CLR SCR for clear the screen. First we have entered our plain text. Next we enter the key value, means which key value we have to insert, like 3, then plain text is converted with third alphabet, and if we key value is 8, then A is converted with 8th alphabet, and so on. Next are plain text displayed, and after that it is encrypted. So next we use for loop. For loop I is initialized with 0, and length of the plain text, str length for function for using find the length of the string. Next cipher of I is plain of I plus key. Means if our plain text is A and key is 3, then key is converted with third alphabet like D. Next we use two condition. If condition, if is upper, then it uses uppercase letter Z, and if it is lower, then it is small z. Now we have to find plain text cipher, and after decryption we have to convert find our original message. We have a two process, encryption and decryption. In encryption we have converted our original message into encrypted message which is not understandable, and after decryption we can find our original message we have to which one is understandable. So again we use for loop I equals to 0 and it is less than length, and plain text is cipher text minus key. Means if our plain cipher key is D, then it's minus key. मतलब D minus 3 equals to A. Then we can find our original message. Again we use is upper for capital and is lower for small. And printf are plain text original messages. Fine. So now we can compile our program. Here compilation is successfully. Now we have to run our program. So first of all enter our plain text, like we have to type hello, and the key value like 3, means H is converted with third alphabet means K. So hello is converted with the encrypted message KHHOR, means H is converted with K, E is converted with third alphabet H, L is converted with O, again L is converted with O, and O is converted with R. And this is our encrypted test KHOOR, and after decryption we have find our original message. So this is the implementation of scissor cipher. Our experiment, this is the experiment number 1, and it is successfully implemented. Thank you so much.